Hi guys, welcome to Mug of Memories Crochet. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful cardigan. For this cardigan, I used 50 grams of medium weight milk cotton yarn and a 2.5mm hook. You'll also need a tape measure and a pair of scissors. Okay, so here is a quick sketch of how the pattern will look. We are starting with the sleeves first, and once we reach the right size of the sleeve, we will build the front and back panels directly onto them. It is works as one continuous piece, so we only have minimal joining to do at the end. So we will create like two pieces, then we'll join together. To start, make a slip knot and chain until your piece measures 15 inches for a medium-sized cardigan. If you're crocheting a small-sized cardigan, you will make 13 to 14 inches. For medium size, ranges from 15 to 16 inches, and a large cardigan from 17 to 18 inches. The pattern uses a multiple of 3 plus 4 chains. For example, you can start with 30 plus 4 chains or 12 plus 4 chains, whichever the number of chains you want, but it should be multiples of 3 plus 4. I'm done with my starting chains. I have made 76 chains in total. Remember, we are working in multiples of 3 plus 4. For me, I did 24 times 3, which is 72, plus 4 extra chains, which is 76 chains. Okay, for row 1, we are going to double crochet into the third chain from the hook. And then 1 double crochet into every chain across the row. 1 double crochet into every chain across the row. I'm at the end of the row and we are going to make our 2 last double crochet. Keep in mind that our stitch count decreases by 2. For example, if you started with 70 chains, you will have 68 double crochet. For me, I have 74 double crochet. We will then make 2 chains and turn our work. For row 2, we are going to make a double crochet into the very first stitch. Skip 1, then in the next stitch, make a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the same stitch. Next we are going to skip 2, then make a double crochet in the third chain, chain 1, double crochet in the same stitch, skip 2, double crochet in the third chain, chain 1, double crochet in the same stitch. Repeat this pattern all the way to the end of the row. At the end of the row, I'm going to make my last V-stitch. We will skip the next stitch and place a final double crochet into the very last stitch of the row. We will then chain 2 and turn our work. For row 3, we are going to make a double crochet in the first stitch, then double crochet in the chain space, double crochet. What actually we are doing for row 3, we are double crocheting all the way to the end of the row. You will keep repeating row 2 and row 3 until you get the size of the sleeves that you want. And we are officially done with the sleeves. The length of mine is 16.5 inches, but you can customize yours to be longer or shorter if you want. We are going to make chains on both corners of the sleeves. Starting with the first corner, we will chain to make the foundation of both the front and back panels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm done making the chains, so we are going to yarn over, pull through and cut the yarn. Now we are going to make our chains on the opposite corner. I forgot to mention the exact chain count earlier. I made 153 chains plus 4, giving me a total of 157 chains. So the front panel will have 157 chains, the back panel will have 157 chains, and I think it's around 31.5 inches. We are going to start working our very first row for the front and back panels. Just like we did for the sleeves, we will skip the first 2 chains and place a double crochet into the third chain from the hook, and then work a double crochet all the way to the end of the row. We'll make a double crochet all the way to the end. I've worked my double crochet all the way up to where the panel meet the sleeve. Now I'm going to place a double crochet right into the corner of the sleeve, and then continue working a double crochet into every stitch across the sleeve to the other side. Double crochet all the way to the other side, 1 double crochet in each stitch. I'm at the corner of the sleeve, so what I'm going to do, we are going to make double crochets into the chains we made earlier. I'm done with the double crochet row. Here is a look at how your cardigan should be shaping up right now. You can clearly see the sleeve alongside the front and back panel. For row 2, just like what we did earlier for the sleeves, we are going to chain 1, 2 and turn our work. We are going to make a double crochet into the very first stitch, skip 1, make a double crochet, chain 1, make a double crochet in the same stitch, then skip 1, 2, make a double crochet in the third stitch, chain 1, make a double crochet in the same stitch, skip 2, make a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the same stitch, skip 2, make a double crochet in the third stitch, chain 1, double crochet in the same stitch. Actually, we are just repeating what we did earlier. I'm all done working my pieces. As you can see, I just kept repeating row 2 and row 3 until it was a perfect size for me. You'll keep repeating row 2 and row 3 from one side of the panel all the way to the sleeve to the other side of the panel. Since I'm doing a medium size cardigan, the panels are 9.5 inches wide. Next, we are going to join the two pieces together using a darning needle. You can use a crochet hook if you prefer, but for this tutorial, I'll be using a darning needle. We'll work only into the inside loops of the stitches. You will insert your darning needle in and out through the stitches. I don't know how to explain this, but you can follow through in the video. Go in, go out. Go in, go out. It's so hard to explain it, but I hope you understand. If you can't, you can watch other YouTube videos that can, help you. Remember to pull that yarn. Don't make the blues. Pull it, pull that yarn. But don't make it too tight. Keep doing this until you reach the half point of the cardigan's length, measuring from the bottom of the panel up towards the sleeve, or actually you can count the number of stitches from one panel all the way to the other end of the other panel, then you divide by 2. You can also measure the size of your sleeve, then you divide it by 2 and mark the middle point with a stitch marker. There's so many ways of doing this actually. I'm done sewing the stitches and here is how it should look. Next, we are going to join the pieces together. This time we are going to use a crochet hook. I'm going to attach the yarn, then chain one. That's my perfect way of joining them together. Then we will go inside the first stitch of the other panel and make a single crochet. We are going to be joining the two panels with single crochet. We will begin from the bottom part of the cardigan all the way to the underarms and then right down to the wrist area. When we reach the underarm of the cardigan, we will place an extra single crochet right at the corner as we join the pieces together. And for the sleeves, we will be crocheting two single crochet in each row. Two single crochet in each row all the way from the underarm to the wrist area of the cardigan. If you want a clean finished look, at the bottom you can add a row of single crochet or double crochet. And there you have it. We are officially done. Here is the completed cardigan fresh off the hook.